Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Got the heater running. Gonna start on some work. Need to make some joiner plates. Now that's a piece of plate stock. Started out 6 inches wide, 1/4 inch thick, and about 5 foot long. And I cut it up to make clamping plates to hold the track up for the hoist. But I need another thing. I need to make joiners. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this in half and use it to join the two sections of track together so it'll reach 20 feet across the room. Now that should get me just about where I want to be. I might be 6-8 inches short, I don't know. But in any case, these joiner plates got to be made. Why do they got to be made? Well, because these cost $11 a piece. The joiner plates cost $11 a piece. This piece of steel cost me $1.25. It's a drop, about a pound. I buy a piece of steel, I cut it down. Right now I'm going to cut it in half, make 2 pieces out of it so I can join 2 sections of track. And then I got to drill 4 holes, 2 in each piece. What that's going to do for me is let me join the ends of the tracks together by putting a plate over the top and putting a carriage bolt down through there, locking it down. So I figure I got, well, about $1.25 and some time into this thing. Because I already own the drill press, already own the drill bit, already own the saw. I got the camera too, so you guys get to watch. There we go, 2 pieces of steel. I'm going to take the belt sander, clean those up a little bit, take the burrs off so I don't cut my hands and work barehanded. Wearing leather gloves when you're cutting steel, always a good idea. it's not $100 an hour like I used to make, but pretty good money. Especially when you figure I had to drive into town, walk through Menards, find these things, pick them up, take them up, walk them up to the cash register, pay for them, and come home. Figure that's about an hour's work there. So, yeah, I'm way even. 22 bucks worth of parts. So a little bit of thought, a little bit of effort, save yourself some money, or just have fun making a part. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.